How do I complete an answer to complaint or supplemental complaint form? Thank you for watching this informational video on how to complete an answer to a summons and complaint that has been filed against you by the San Bernardino County Department of Child Support Services, also referred to as DCSS. The summons and complaint is a legal document asking the court to make orders regarding parentage and/or child support for one or more children. If you do not agree with what is being requested, you must file an answer, Form FL610, with the court. Filing an answer allows you to object and have a court hearing. Even if you agree with the orders requested in the complaint, you must file an answer to participate in the legal proceedings. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to fill out and file the answer form. Please keep in mind, the answer must be filed within 30 days of the summons and complaint being served on you. If you do not file your answer within 30 days of service, a judgment will be entered by default, which means you will have no say in what is being ordered. So it is very important to file your answer as soon as possible. Let's get started. The answer must be completed using a blue or black pen. Do not use whiteout. If you make a mistake, simply draw a line through it and initial next to the correction. Starting at the top left corner of the answer form, you will see a box labeled Attorney or Party Without an Attorney. Print your name, address, phone number, and email address in that box. Section 1, addresses parentage. Here, you will state whether you are the parent of each child listed on the summons and complaint. In this section, write the name and date of birth for each child, then check the yes box if you are the parent, or the no box if you are not. Or if you're unsure whether you are the parent of that child, check box B to request genetic testing. In certain situations, DCSS can provide genetic or paternity testing, completely free of charge. However, genetic or paternity testing is only available if you mark the no box on the answer form. Section 2 is labeled child support. Here, you will state whether you agree or disagree with the amount of child support requested in the summons and complaint. Check box A if you agree with the requested amount, or box B if you disagree. If you disagree with the child support amount being requested, you can list the reasons why in Section 5. Section 3 is labeled Child Care Costs. Here you will state whether you agree or disagree with the child care costs requested in the summons and complaint. Check box A if you agree with the child care costs requested, or box B if you disagree. Section 4 is labeled Uninsured Health Care Costs. Here, you will state whether you agree or disagree with the uninsured health care costs requested in the summons and complaint. Check box A if you agree with the uninsured health care costs requested, or box B if you disagree. Section 5. Here you can tell the court why you disagree with the proposed judgment. Be specific. Write why you disagree with what is being requested. On page 2 of the answer form, in Section 6, print your address, phone number, and email address. Finally, be sure to fill in the date, print your name, and sign the answer form. This step is very important. An unsigned or undated answer can be rejected by the court. Now that you have completed the answer form, a copy must be served on DCSS and then filed with the court. Serving on DCSS. The answer must be served by someone who is 18 or older and not a party to the case. This means neither you nor the other parent can serve it. The person who serves the answer on DCSS for you can either personally deliver or mail a copy of the answer and must complete the proof of service. If personally delivering the answer to DCSS, the server will list the name of the DCSS employee who received the answer, the address where it was delivered, and the date of delivery. Alternatively, if mailing the answer to DCSS, the server will write DCSS in the name section, include the mailing address, the date it was mailed, and the city it was mailed from. The DCSS addresses to be used for service are 10417 Mountain View Avenue, Loma Linda, California, 92354, or 191 North Vineyard Avenue, Ontario, California, 91764, or 15400 Civic Drive, Victorville, California, 92392. The server should then print their name, the date, and sign the proof of service. Filing with the court. Once you've served the answer on DCSS, you must file it with the court. You can file your answer either by mail or in person at the Child Support Clerk's office at the San Bernardino County Superior Court. You must make a copy of the answer for your records. The court will keep the original. If filing by mail, send the original and one copy to the court address listed at the top of page 1 of your answer. Make sure you are mailing it to the correct courthouse to avoid delays or rejection. If filing in person, bring the original and one copy to the Child Support Clerk's office at the courthouse listed on page 1 of your answer. Filings are accepted Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., except on court holidays. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you understand how to respond to a summons and complaint. If you need more help, you can contact San Bernardino County DCSS or speak with a legal professional. You can also visit the self-help office at the San Bernardino County Superior Court.